This is Jula's podcast and business corner. There is a quote by Bob Marley which says, "Beginning are usually scary and ending are usually sad, but it's everything in between that makes it all worth living." That Bob Marley quote, a close quote. I'm here with me. We call it the Rastafari, the levity. Adhere to the faith of Rasta, love, unity, spirit, reflection, and resistance against injustice. Jah, Haile Selassie, I and I. That's a patrician of Zion, the Babylon, Yah Almighty. I'm here with me with my nigga, which I know him for so long. His name is Jojo. Jojo, man, welcome to the show.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Thanks,
yeah,
man.
yeah,
Thanks,
yeah, yeah.
thanks for the opportunity, brother. Thanks, man.
Nice one.
Yeah, man.
Thanks very much to be having you today at the Chulas Podcast and Business Corner,
Yeah, man.
powered by Manguzo Region Media. Jojo, take us through like your journey. Who is Jojo? How has been your journey in music and fashion? Who is Jojo? If someone from Louisiana, someone from Mozambique, Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, hear about the way Mr. Jojo. Who is Jojo? Tell us more. Who is Jojo?
Yeah, man. Actual George is the face you see, man.
Mm.
But deep in it, there's a lot, man. There's a
Yeah.
lot.
Mm.
You know, I'm kind of music major.
Yeah.
I'm a kind of, art vision. Vision arts, and I do this fashion.
That's right.
Actual, that's more about me. And as you know, man, basketball playing is a thing that always
That's
goes
right,
on.
yeah.
Actually, there's a lot to say about it, but that's all more about me.
That's nice.
That's all about George. You know what I mean?
Jojo Tembe,
Yeah, for cheese, That's it. That's it,
the
man.
fashionist.
You know what's
Yeah.
up. That's for sure. That's for sure.
Tell us more about your career in visual art and fashion, and what type of fashion you do the most.
Yeah, man. Actual, bro, to tell you fact of art, man. I'm too deep
Yeah,
into culture.
That's right.
Culture. We blacks, man.
All time, yeah.
they got more believe in us.
yeah,
I believe more in us now. Culture, fashion.
Yeah.
What's more about us? Like here in Africa and more. We must bring more of this culture.
Yeah.
Because that's the thing.
that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Mm.
And then in true, actually, it's a mix of, this fashion, but we always trying to provide what's more,
True, yeah.
what more belongs to us. You know
Sure.
what I mean?
Sure.
And then in music, man, they say music, no life. You know what I mean?
That's right.
And then that's why, man, when they bring music, man, we trying to put you in the right point.
Yeah.
Whenever things going on, just chill, listen to the music.
That's
and
right.
then that's what we do actual too, because we got some, like message
Yeah.
that can get through music. You know what I mean?
Sure.
And then, we try to bring all this as
Believe.
a combo,
Believe. Put it
music,
together. Yeah.
art. Actually, I'm trying to say that all this is art. I'm leading art lifestyle.
That's
all
right.
about
That's
me.
right.
Yeah.
Very brilliant.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
man. Thanks.
Let me take it back to your church, the culture that you practice in, or let me just say the religion.
Yeah, man.
That is what we call Salah, of which it's your prayer.
Yeah, man.
Like performing Salah, I think it's a performing ritual which you guys call prayer, which you do maybe 5 times a day.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure.
Typically facing the Kaaba and the Mecca.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah, let me
that's
just
for
break
sure.
through. The Kaaba is the holiest site in Islam, located in the center of Masjid
Yeah, man.
Haram in Mecca and Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
So tell us more. How has this religion saved you and give you the guide in this journey of life?
Actual, like, religion, myself, actual,
That's
is
right.
like you can go to any religion, but me, what I know about the religion is the guidance. The religion gives you the proper guidance in life.
That's right.
Because
Believe.
in life you got good and bad, right?
Mm.
And then this between good and bad is all your choice.
Believe.
And then religion is all your choice, And then I just criticize one part that they say that Islamic
Yeah.
is more for Arabian people.
Yes.
You know that. But me, now what I believe more about Islamic is more for
Yeah.
is a mankind guidance religion,
Yeah.
It's for all of us, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's for all of us because you all getting guided through religion, And Islamic too, what I love from it, the rules are too tough, but are the right rules, you never follow it, you know what I mean? Yeah,
That's
like
very deep.
alcohol is not a good thing. There's a lot that we do in a young age that we have to do them.
That's right, believe.
But and then the religion says you do that, and spiritually too, it guides me right. That's why I'm into it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
right. So on that, what you were stating, how do you mix or practice religion and hip hop music? How do you put it together and it works for you? How are you managing?
Actually, religion, they always got rules in religion,
Yeah.
like you have to follow this, they have to follow this, they have to do that.
Mm.
But what I see in music, when they say there's even the way they say music is the devil thing, you know what I mean?
Mm.
In Islamic they say that. But it becomes evil thing to the words that you say, you know what I mean?
Mm.
To the words that you say, because what brings the evil thing is the words that you say.
Yeah.
When you start to speak about vulgar language, all that is where I see that that is the same music,
That's
But
right.
my music is not about that. My music is more about awareness, open your mind, you know
Sure.
what I mean? And then I don't take it as a devil thing, but I try to put all together.
That's right.
Yeah, I will try to put it together, music, basketball, religion, all
Bring it
that.
together, sure.
I just try to control myself to that.
That's
You know
nice.
what I mean?
Believe.
Yeah, man.
But people recognize you as a Rastafari. Tell us more about your relationship with resemblance character of Reggae and also a hip hop MC and a producer.
Yo, man, actual like.
And which
about-
one are you? Are you the hip hop MC or maybe the
Actual, the
Rastafari?
thing, man, yeah, it's a lot of confusion about George. Actually, when it comes to George,
Jojo is a
man,
combination.
when it comes to George, it's something else. You know what
That's
I mean?
right.
Yeah, because I hang a lot around a lot of people, different kind of people. You know what I mean?
That's right.
When it comes to this culture thing, I see like Rastafarians, they are too deep into culture. You know what I mean? They're into herbs. You know what I mean? When I mean herb, I don't mean all about smoke,
Exactly.
I mean herb, like, eat cabbage, eat that, and all that are powerful health, you know what I mean? You get health through that, you know what I mean? And then the Rastafarian, for me, they're positive in what they do, Yeah, I don't mean that you don't have to eat meat. You eat meat if you can, you know what I mean? Does not mean the Rastafarian have to eat meat all that.
That's right. All time.
Yeah, it's just your belief, you know what I mean? And then because of that, to me, the Rastafarian culture is because I'm hanging with friends that are Rastas, you know what I mean?
Sure.
And then we're just pushing that way. We're pushing that way, and that's no problem with that. I don't have limits. My life got no limits, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's why I'm living this way. I got no limits in my life.
That's right.
Yeah, man.
Okay, let's go to hip hop music, right?
Yeah.
I think it's where your root is. If we talk about hip hop music, most of the people will think about the East Coast versus West Coast rivalry, which happened on the 90s. So on the 90s, saw a massive geographic divide between New York, featuring artists like B.I.G. Notorious and Nas, and Los Angeles featuring Tupac and Tupac Shakur and Dr. Dre. But so tell us more on the breakthrough. How has been your journey in hip hop music and labeling the icons of hip hop rap? How do you understand hip hop music?
Yeah, man. Actually, all I can say, I'm the rapper from 90s. The hip hop that I've been listening to at the 90s, you know what I mean? And then there on 90s, I've been finding hip hop as a conductor of lifestyle, you know what I mean? Actually, as a conductor of life living, you know what I mean? Because there's some other things that you cannot express them verbal, just like this, you know what I mean? But into music, you can manage to, you can manage to say it.
That's right.
Yeah, you can manage to tell people, and people, they can be able even to listen that as a message through music, you know what I mean?
Sure.
Yeah, that's why back there, our music, our rap music was more deep than today, you know what I mean?
Back then, sure.
Yeah, back there was, that's why even today in time, I'm not too much in this music of today. I'm too deep. I'm from I'm from 90s. Yeah, that's why I'm into Biggie, I'm into Pac.
That's right.
I'm into Dr. Dre.
Yeah.
I'm into
all the icons,
all these dope icons, Yeah, that's what makes me. That's what makes Jojo, because I'm from there, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's what's up.
But there should be someone maybe who inspires you the most in the industry of hip hop.
No doubt, no doubt, no doubt.
Who's that?
No doubt.
Who inspires you the most in the
Pac. Pac is the man.
R.I.P. Tupac.
I mean Tupac.
R.I.P.
Tupac Amaru Shakur, yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah, because actually it's like my life steps. My life steps.
Yeah.
Are pushed by Tupac's words.
That's right.
Because I just want to live that kind of lifestyle, because I'm this kind of man that got no fear. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I take a risk if I have to take a risk.
That's nice.
I do what I have to do when I have to do it. You know what I mean?
Oh, that's so brilliant. I like it. Let's go personally. What's your goal and what you have achieved in life, maybe in the past decade, which you can say, I'm proud of myself about achieving such thing. What is it that maybe you have achieved and which you're proud yourself of?
Yeah, man. Actually,
Could be music, fashion,
Yeah,
Anything.
all I can say, man, you know, we achieve in different ways.
That's right.
We say achievement in
I like
different
that.
ways, you know, because achieving in life is not just about having money and you do something and say, no, this is my achievement.
That's
No,
right.
I believe achievement is to, you know, is to keep the legacy. You know what I mean?
That's right.
That is what I call achievement. You know, yeah.
Very
So
deep.
far, I've been building.
It shouldn't be like material things.
No, it should not be like material.
No.
It should be like something that you
Yes.
know it will stay.
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly.
actually, as I'm saying, you're speaking about George now, but still gonna speak about George even when I'm
100%
gone.
correct.
Even when I'm gone, there's people gonna
Your
be still
name
talking
still
about
remain
me.
there. Yeah.
That's what I call, you know, being successful in life. And then actually, I see like I've been building basketball players that are now playing outside. You know, there are some in the national teams.
Yeah.
I'm proud of that. And then through the art, I've been doing art vision, you know,
That's
paintings, all that, and I've been doing sales through those art.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And then I feel positive into that, man. Yeah, you know what I mean? And clothing as well. Since I've been doing fashion sales, I'm living under it. I never work to nobody. You know what I mean? I don't work to nobody. I'm living
right.
under what I do.
And for so long, you've been
For all this long, I've been doing my
inspiring.
hustle. You know, I've been selling clothing. I've been doing basketball, pushing boys, because I believe, like, you know, in doing things that they last for long. That's what is good. It's not about just doing something that just for now and now is done. You know what I mean? Yeah.
That's
We're talking about legacy.
Brilliant.
Yeah, we're talking about living legacy that's going to be living for years and years.
Yeah,
and years.
been there for quite a time.
That's all about.
That's nice.
Yeah, man.
But how has been your journey or career to South Africa? And what you have maybe experienced or encountered the most in terms of culture and unity? Because for so long you've been here in South Africa. So what is it that maybe you can say, this one is so fascinating, I like it the most? Could be the culture or anything.
Yeah, you know, when it comes to that point, man, you know, that is a point that a lot of people, they let me confused.
Yeah.
Because that point, people, they think I'm from outside.
Okay, that's
you know,
right.
Oh yeah, a lot of people think I'm from outside. I'm not from outside. I'm from here in South Africa, and I'm African. You know what I mean?
That's nice.
It's just that I've been making myself out and in.
That's
you know,
nice.
like my life's been always upside down. That's why people, they don't understand.
That's brilliant.
If I'm South African, I'm a Mozambican, I'm a Zimbabwean, I'm Nigerian. You know what I mean? I see a lot of people.
And due to the culture of practicing, so many people.
Yeah, you know, a lot of people get confused. But you know, real talk, man. I'm SA, homie. I'm SA nigga.
Nice one.
You know what I mean?
Nice one.
Yeah, man.
Nice one.
Yeah, man.
So, what are some of the most prominent African languages spoken across different religions which you like, or maybe the language which you can say I have learned or have loved the most? Could be in Africa or maybe South Africa. Like your favorite language. This one is my favorite language.
Yeah, actually.
Could be maybe the one you're speaking currently, or the one you don't talk or don't speak or you don't, but it's the one which you can say, this is a prominent one to me. I like it. I love it.
Yeah, the thing,
even
man,
if I don't speak it well, but I would like to practice it or know it one day, eventually.
Yeah, you know, the thing about me, man, is that, you know, I love more to speaking Zulu, you know.
Nice one.
I love Zulu. Yeah, I'm a Tonga guy, actually, because you know, here where I'm located, we Tongas, you know what I mean?
That's right, yeah.
But there's this thing that always makes me to communicate more of this language, because the language that I'm speaking right now is because I've been too colonized, you know what I mean?
That's right.
I've been too colonized, and then this colonization that I had into English, it stayed on me, even in my blood vein, you know, even in my veins, you know, it's just flowing in my veins, just like that. That's why I mostly speak this language. And plus, going outside and inside, people that I meet are outside people, and the only language should use to communicate, to unite, should be English, you know what I mean?
Yes,
that's why I've been much into it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And through colonization as well, you know, all these things. Actually, they feed us this language, you know. That's why, like, yo, I'm into it, you know what I mean?
Oh,
yeah.
So brilliant.
Yeah, man.
Brilliant, Jojo. So when it comes to food, I know maybe, I'm not sure if maybe the vegetarian or what, but which local culinary tradition, or maybe let me just say food, which maybe have you absolutely tried, or maybe like to try maybe in future?
Man, actually, I love some Tonga food, man.
Nice one.
Tonga food is the best.
Baked home.
You know what's up. You know what's up. You know what's up. Food with nuts, food with coconut.
But the traditional one.
Yeah, the traditional one.
Should be healthy.
It's healthy, you know. Yeah, it's all about health, man. Actually, you know, when I'm speaking about culture, man. I'm deep into it.
Mm.
Yeah.
Nice
In
one.
food, even like your outfit, all that.
Even the custom outfit wearing.
It's all, but so for today to just come with Adidas stuff.
Yeah,
actually,
okay,
but
no, it's fine.
all I know is I'm culture.
Shout out to Adidas promo. This guy deserves a crown. Expect anything because when they read this video, they gotta give you maybe the sneaker one. Okay, no, I think we're coming to an end.
Yeah.
What can you say about the ongoing war in Middle East? And together with the riots which are going on in South Africa, pertaining or maybe toward the foreign nation, what can you say? What message can you maybe say from one in Middle East, what's going on, the issue of oils and everything, and the riots which are like currently happening in South Africa about the national or foreign nation? What message can you deliver on that matter?
Yeah, man, the message I can bring to you this, man. It's sad, it's deep, but anyway, it had to be said, you know.
Yeah.
Actually, like, I'm just asking my brothers, brothers, cousins, all that I do part of this family, because we're all Africans, you know what I mean? That's the point that should always put in our mind. We're all Africans, no? We don't have to discriminate each other, you know what I mean? That's something that, because one thing you have to put for yourself first, you know? If you hate to be hated, you should not hate others, you know what I mean? And then this issue of job, all that, I don't think it's issue of job, because these guys, they don't take the government jobs, just taking these street jobs.
You know, skills, right?
You know, just skills, all about skills. What they're using these people, and it's what they're beating us to it. Because as here, we are not educated through skills. Our education just ends in the books, and that's all done. You know, wait for the university, and if you don't get it, you don't go nowhere, because you're not skilled the person, you know. But we never got skills. That's why these people are beating us. Yeah, but all can I say, guys, let's stay humble. Let's just, you know, consider each other as brothers. We're all Africans. Let's stop all this. Let's try to build this bond, you know. This bond of us believing that we won. You know what I mean? Because all I see is that we don't believe that we won. We believe like we 2, we 3, we 4, but we won. Check to your skin, check to my skin. We're all blacks. All heart. We are all in Africa. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And then, man, let's keep this one love. Yeah, let's keep one love. Yeah, man.
That a message from Jojo. Us as Julius podcast, we are independent and impartial about it. It's from Jojo. Now we're closing the chapter. What's your favorite quote or the book of which you can say this is my favorite fucking dope quote, or maybe the book, or maybe the author? Who's your favorite?
Actual my favorite, not even book. Actor.
Fine, yeah.
I'll put actor.
In an entertainment. Nollywood, Hollywood.
Yeah. That's my real favorite forever. It's gonna be Park. Actually, I'm too deep into Park. When it comes to the action, when it comes to the action, when it comes to the music, actually, it's like that's the chord. I'm into it.
You're more like being your idol.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me.
Nice.
Yeah.
Jojo, my brother, thanks very much for having you.
Thank you too,
I appreciate you.
Thank you too, man.
For so long, I know you.
Yeah, man.
Decades back, we used to record some of them music. I think like hip hop music.
Yeah.
You used to come to your studio. You never acted wild, never acted strange. You've been always embracing us. Even today, I appreciate you. You're still my brother and forever living. I like your hustle. I never had any of the harm stories. You remain humble and having the mercy. I like you, brother. Thanks very much for having you, man. Jojo, the king, Mr. Tem.
All day.
All day. Thank you.
Yeah, man.